Morning, I'm Asha here from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Global Academy of Technology. In this lecture, we will be discussing on the isometric projections. The frustum of a square pyramid of sides 40 mm and height 60 mm rests on the center of the top of a square block of side 60 mm and height 20 mm. The base edges of the pyramid are parallel to the top edges of the square block. Draw the isometric projection of the combination of the solids. Here you are having two solids. One is the frustum of a square pyramid and the other one is a square block. You are going to place the frustum of the square pyramid over the square block. So first you need to construct the square block measuring 60 mm in dimension and height is equal to 20 mm. Then over that you are going to place a frustum of a square pyramid. The bottom square surface is 40 mm and the top square surface is 20 mm and the height is equal to 60 mm. So you need to draw the isometric projection of these combination of the solids. So the frustum of a square pyramid, so the base of that pyramid is equal to 40 mm, the top surface is equal to 20 mm and the height is equal to the 60 mm. Square slab measuring 60 by 60, height is equal to 20 mm. So when you place it, this is how it looks from the three-dimensional view. So first you need to construct the square block of side 60 mm. So from any one of the point, here you can see there are two lines. One is 30-degree inclination line and the other one is 150-degree inclination line. So both are 30-degree on either side. So whatever you are constructing over this 30-degree and 150-degree inclination line. So it is a square block of side 60 mm. So from any one of the point, 60 mm means count towards your right side 6 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So even on the other side, it is 6 blocks. Again, you have to construct a square of 60 by 60. So again, you have to move parallel to 30-degree line and parallel to 150-degree line. So from any one of the point, count 6 boxes towards your right, count 6 boxes towards your left, again 6 boxes towards 30-degree inclination line in a downward direction and 6 boxes towards your left. So from each of the corner, height is equal to 20 mm, go up by 2 boxes, 1, 2. Again from one of the corner, 1, 2 boxes. Again 2 boxes vertically upward direction. Then join all the corners. So dimension of the square block is 60 by 60 mm. Height is equal to 20 mm. You have completed the construction of the square block. Hidden lines have to be removed or you have to follow the projection line. Then get the center 60, so 30, draw a line parallel to 150-degree line and draw a line parallel to 30-degree line. Then from the center, 40 mm square has to be constructed. So 20 mm towards 30-degree inclination line, 20, 40, 40, 40 and 20. So this completes a square of 40 by 40. From the center, height is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60 mm. There you have to construct a square of 20 mm. So 10, 10, 20, 20, 20 and 10. This completes the construction of the square 20 mm. Now join the corners. So bottom square has to be joined to the respective top square. The same corner has to be joined. All these has to be in visible line thickness. Remove the extra lines. Trim the extra lines. Whatever inside this that will be hidden. So you have to remove that or maintain with the projection line thickness. So this 30-degree inclination line has to be shown. So this completes the construction of square slab and a frustum of a square pyramid. Thank you.